In December 1963, the New Furnace Railway was doing well, except for one pickle. Timothy was removed for his overhaul. So, the New Furnace Railway called in Leo from the Northwestern to return, and for the other favor, Sir Charles Topham had called BR and when returned, BR loaned one of Southampton docks he was stuck things. But anyway, Neville, Parker, and Billy sat in their sheds when Leo arrived. "Oh, you must be Leo," said Neville. Leo looked over. "Were you built by the Southern Railway like me?" Neville chuckled. "I was. You must be one Southern Railway you choose, right?" "That is me," smiled Leo. "I was built just before the Second World War began. That was before the, anyway. I'm here to cover for your friend Timothy. Do you know how long he's gonna be out for?" Said Billy. "Probably till after Christmas. Depends on how long this overhaul takes." "Yeah," said Parker. "We are busy, though. Glad you could fill in for Timothy. Sorry we took you away from your branch line, though." "Oh, it's okay." "I'm okay with it." Anyway, anything to get me away from the annoying twat of Percy. "How is he annoying?" said Neville. "Or is it hard to talk about?" He's just a creepy engine, said Leo. Put it at that. It's a bit of a story." "I see," said Neville. "It's going to be nice working with a Federal Southern Railway built engine." "Well, yes, same here," said Leo. "Well," said Parker, "thank you all for watching, and Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year," sang the engines.